Welcome to 1323 East Ford Street in Lake Charles, Louisiana. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath cottage has just been completely renovated with new central air and heat and many other improvements. The front porch leads to a living dining room combination that features 2 ceiling fans, new sheetrock exterior walls, painted plank interior walls and wood plank floors. It also features beautiful wood plank floors. The galley-style kitchen also features wood plank floors. It also has new cabinets and would look for mica countertops. There is also a double stainless steel sink.